Africans can't. When they dance this from Bele for Bele, they know we. No.
Let go. This one. Yeah. Face off time.
It's the face off, baby. My name is Ajako. It's not Jesse.
This one is Afro Skank. And you dance it to Afro beat. But to do it, you gotta let go. If anybody's looking at you, tell them African skank. Let me see you do the African skank. Everybody do the African skank. Let me see you do the African skank. Okay, it's time to teach you some African skank. First, let's go to Ghana. I want you to put your toes to the floor and twist. With your fingers, I want you to point. Alright, twist, point, twist, point, twist, point, twist, point, twist. That's on top. That's on top. To the right now. To the left now. Time for a new one. Tigo. Woo! Let's go. Tigo. Jump in the air. And then you know your head. Jump. Jump. And it's called Masai. Take it low. Masai. Hey. Oh. African skank. Let me see you do the African skank. Everybody do the African skank. Let me see you do the African skank. Everybody do the African skank. Let me see you do the African skank. Now, I want you dancing like as if your body's on fire. Fire! And your face gotta be ugly. Ugly. I mean, real ugly. Atlanta! Atlanta!